Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a clean space and taking precise measurements. That prevents mistakes later. First, clear 2 to 3 feet of workspace and either remove or protect trim with tape. Measure the wall height and add 2 to 3 centimeters overlap for the corner, then mark a plumb line so the pattern stays true. Cut the first strip slightly wider than the wall and score the backing. This gives you a little extra to fold into the corner and ensures you can ease the paper into position. Once the strip is positioned, you butt it into the corner and allow the extra to fall over the adjoining wall. Use a wide wallpaper brush to smooth from the corner outward so adhesive spreads evenly. This prevents bubbles. Fold the excess neatly into the joint and run a seam roller lightly to seat the edge. Then use a straight edge and sharp blade to trim the overlap while keeping a slight angle. This creates a tight, invisible seam and preserves the printed pattern alignment. You finish by aligning the next strip's pattern and butting its edge tightly to the first without overlapping. This keeps seams flat and less visible. Apply seam adhesive sparingly into the joint and press with a seam roller, then wipe any squeeze out with a damp sponge so the finish stays clean. If you find bubbles or lifting, don't peel the whole strip. Use a pinhole and inject adhesive with a syringe, then press and smooth. That restores adhesion without redoing the entire panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.